How is the information in messenger RNA used to construct a protein? Here's our cell again, the nucleus with the DNA, the base pairs for the gene for which we made messenger RNA, and here's our messenger RNA strand with the bases along the single strand, and the codons U, G, G, and C, A, G. These codons will go through a ribosome, and in that ribosome transfer RNA with an anticodon that has complementary bases to our codons here, an ACC and a GUC. As the messenger RNA strand goes through, each codon matched to an anticodon with an amino acid attached. If this was AUC, the match would be UAG, and there would be an amino acid attached. And as these codons go through, coming out of the ribosome is a chain of amino acids. With each new codon that runs through the ribosome, one more amino acid gets added to the chain. The final result is a protein, a chain of amino acids that twists around, wrapping around on itself. That protein might be 300 amino acids long. Each protein has a specific shape, and because of that shape, has a particular function. One type of protein connects cells to each other. Our cell 1 and cell 2 would be connected by these two proteins. The shapes of proteins are determined by the amino acids. For example, one amino acid that I'll call AL is very small. Another amino acid that I'll call AR is long and slender. Another amino acid that I'll call TR is long but wider on one side than the other. In this section, I'm oversimplifying. Bends in strands of amino acids occur for multiple reasons. Reasons include shape, such as for the amino acid proline, which puts a 65-degree bend in the chain. The ability to twist, such as for the amino acid glycine, which can rotate like a swivel, often causing a flexible bend. And charged regions of the amino acid, which can cause changes in shape because of attraction to opposite charges or repulsion from the same charges elsewhere in the amino acid chain. When these amino acids are combined, the shapes they make depend on the sequence. Whenever you have an unusual shape, such as a TR, or such as for the amino acid proline, that makes a bend. I've just shown you 3 different amino acids of the 20 used by animals. With all the different shapes involved, you can have proteins that may be straight for a while and then have a bend, are straight for a while, then twist in many different ways. So the combination of amino acids all give you a different shape. And if you change one of these amino acids from, say, a TR to an AR, you'll also change the shape. If we replace this TR or proline with an AR, we'll lose the bend that would have been caused by a TR. That might make a protein that doesn't have the same shape. It's straightened out. Here are sketches to practice to remember mRNA translation. Here's the messenger RNA with the U, G, G, a transfer RNA with ACC matching up, more bases with the sugar phosphate backbone for the rest of the transfer RNA and specific amino acid. Codon in the messenger RNA pairing up with an anticodon matching a specific amino acid. Here's a ribosome with messenger RNA going through it. The codon, UGG, anticodon, ACC on the transfer RNA with a specific amino acid, and each new transfer RNA brings in a new amino acid to the growing chain of amino acids. Protein with a series of amino acids, these dots, with bends that cause the shape of the protein and control its function. Those bends occur from the specific amino acids that are in the sequence, AL, AR, AR, and a TR, which is wider at one end than the other, and causes a bend at the TR. With those same amino acids, if the TR is replaced with an AR, there's no bend. Change in the amino acid can change the shape of the protein from one here with a bend. If the TR is replaced with an AR, the result is that part of the protein has no bend. Proteins have specific functions. Here's cell 1 and cell 2, and in this case the protein holds two cells together. You can think of it as a hook with the bend forming part of that hook for attachment. If that bend changes, the hook might be stronger or weaker. In this case, there's less of a bend, and so there might be weaker attachment.